asking that before we sit on the table, you must release all prisoners. It is when you sit on the table that becomes terms of negotiation. That is how they do it. You cannot say, before we sit on the table, you must declare that you recognize ambassador. If they recognize ambassador, why should they be negotiating with you again? The country is already in the true or false. What should they be negotiating for? Before we sit on the table, you must do this. Do you know that negotiation means give and take? Do you know that? Negotiation does not mean you go to the table, they hold it like this, they catch it, they say, ambassador, go, la Republico. Nice! Let nobody deceive you, because tomorrow you will start calling us traitors. Negotiation is give and take. Listen very well. They give something, we take something. We give something, they take something. If people don't start preparing your mind, this is the same type of life we lie to you people. That independence is coming a few days ago. 22nd September, they slaughter us. 1st October, they almost finish all of us. We should stop doing this. We are harming ourselves. We destroy our physical self, we destroy our spirit. We must be open to one another so that tomorrow you don't come and charge us. Negotiation is give and take. We will sit with La Republic, we will put the terms on the table, they will put the terms on the table. We are looking for a comprehensive negotiated settlement, a CNS. Comprehensive means everything on the table. From the issue of restoring our homeland to even their federalism and their decentralization. We'll be keeping those things one after another like you are playing this head. You know you throw this head on. When you keep, you hit the other one, it goes out. Until you use that big desire and keep everything until the solution will stand on the middle. That is the only way out. That's the only way. So I don't want to take most of their time because of the questions. I'll be able to respond to it. But let me tell you people, as long as I, Akwanda, am alive, I will not let any Amazonians, not even my brothers, I trust them, who are here, to deceive you people about this process. You people send me to school. This is what I studied. I am not a surgeon. A surgeon cannot go and pretend that he's an ophthalmologist. Okay? So everybody should know their own role in this struggle. If their role is to throw insult, just continue doing the insult. Don't talk about self-defense. If your role is self-defense, do your self-defense. If your role is to contribute money, contribute money. You cannot be jack of all trades and master of none. You're causing confusion. You cannot walk. You cannot. Look, you can cram all the book in the world and say all the big grammars. To be an orator does not mean need big grammar. Hitler, who was a criminal, Mussolini and all the rest, they went to which school? You cannot be what you are not supposed to be, no matter how hard you work for. You are only what is meant for you. That is how the world works. I cannot change. I will be who I am, you will be who you are. I must respect who you are, because your own quality will add to my own quality, and then we will start moving towards perfection. But if you think that you can insult your way to freedom, the first person would have died would have been Paul here. We have thrown everything, he's still there. So insult will not bring us independence. Lying will not bring us restoration. All type of provocation against one another will not bring us restoration. We should understand one thing. We are saying that we want to negotiate. Which means you cannot put terms which are supposed to be part of the agenda of negotiation. You don't go and make a long list and you are telling people that you must do this before come to the table. I've never seen this type of a thing. It looks like you take a football team, you don't go from Babas to play President Boya. Before you get to the field, you are the coach. This is how coach sells matches without even taking money. You say we want this. When you put all of those things, what will you negotiate with? When you get to the table, what are you going to negotiate with? Okay, you want the Republic to release all prisoners. What are you willing to give to the Republic? Negotiators give and take. What are you willing? When you say release everybody before we do this, the Republic say, okay, all of you should drop down their arms. Are we willing to drop them? No. Are we willing? No. We have even said that if we want a state, we'll never drop our arms. Because those arms will be the first arm that Stanley Cameron or Ambassador will be using in his military. We will not drop them. So when you are asking the other man, be prepared to ask yourself, what are you willing to give? Because it is give and take. I'm sorry I'm talking too much, but this is my last information. Please, this is your process. It's not the Swiss process. It is owned by you. They are just like central referees, that is why they use the word mediator. Let me say middleman or middlewoman. It is us to find those who will talk for us. It's not going to be us here. Nobody should ever deceive you. Even the president said the type of people are appearing there. And what are you going to negotiate? Because if I see there's somebody from the Republic talk rubbish, I'll just cross the table and blow. So you need someone who will be able to compose themselves, who are expert in, and to be an expert does not mean you are a lawyer, because that is what you see you people. You started calling names of some funny lawyers who have never ever even negotiated a class dispute. Negotiate between ambassador and the Republic of America. What is wrong with us? So what? Class dispute have never negotiated because you think that they are lawyers? No! This is how we kill ourselves in 1961. It is not age that we negotiate. It is not how intelligent you are. It is that those who are experts in that field will do the job for us. It is not us. If we the leaders don't understand, when they come back to us, if those who are negotiating come back to us and say, this is what they have said, what are we going to say if we don't even understand the process? We might even deceive them because they sign something that we don't know. That is why we are trying to understand what is this process all about. So that when the negotiators come back to us and say, hold on, I need to go and consult. By the time they are consulting with us, they will not be deceiving us. We will know what they are consulting with. Whether it's something for us to agree for our people or not. That is what you do. That is what you do. Open your eyes and open your ears. Don't be intimidated by big grammar and insults. Please. That is my appeal. Because there will be more insults and more big grammar. And never you think that everybody will sit on the table. It has never happened anywhere in the world in a struggle like this. Otherwise, you're not going anywhere. Central Africa, one group, now they are 13. One group, split into 13. South Sudan, the same thing. Eritrea, the same thing. I can name one country after another. If you want, I start calling the names of the president or the leaders at that time and how they managed to navigate that situation. So let us not act as people are coming from space or here in Canada. Canada is not part of the world. No! We cannot do something that has never been done before. We can only perfect what has been done before. I end for here.